Okay? And this is an excellent idea when we get to work in pairs or small groups, is using your notes from this chart to retell the play. If you can do that, then your comprehension is strong and you will likely do well on a quiz. Another retell trick or study strategy is to look at each picture, to go back through the story just looking at the pictures and in your own words retell what's happening. So if you looked at this picture here, what would you say is happening in the story? All right. So do you think the Khan is a good ruler? Support your answer with information from the story. So you're either going to say yes or no, and then why, giving information from the story. Number 2, if you could meet one of the adventurers, who would you like to meet and why? So pick one and give a reason why you would like to meet that person or adventurer. Number 3, have you seen other constellations? If so, which ones? Write a short description of each constellation you've seen. If you could have one special skill, number 4, what would it be? Would you like to be invisible? Would you like to be good at gymnastics? What would it be and why? Okay, so discussion. So have your answers to these questions so they're prepared for discussion. Would you like to be an adventurer? Explain. Have you ever seen the Great Bear? If so, describe the constellation. Which adventurer is most like you? Which one is least like you? Compare your answers. Do you know a myth that explains how any other constellation was formed? If so, tell the myth to your group. And if not, Google it. A myth that explains how a constellation was formed. By the way, here's a hint. The scorpion